Why is Brown Mokgotsi still testifying? Didn't we just establish that this guy is a pathological liar? He's such a liar to the point that he even staged his own fake assassination, unloading his firearm on his vehicle and offloading on the passenger seat, but he was completely fine. So why are they letting this guy testify? And now he has said the most ridiculous and outlandish things, claiming that General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi is a CIA agent. CIA? Ah, come on, come on. This guy is a problem.
It's that I am not a registered source in police, but yet I have access to everything in the police. I reiterate that Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi could not know that I was a registered contact agent for crime intelligence and therefore privy to the information and documents relating to the inner workings of South African Police Service.
So, okay, we might entertain his theories on CIA agents because he also says that he was a CIA agent and he was an informant all this time. So, all the things that he was doing it because he was undercover. Like, yo, our Brad Mokgotsi, guys. Madlaga Commission, is this the money that we're wasting with our taxpayer money just to listen to this guy live for hours and hours? Yeah, Mzansi, we are in trouble.